Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare here. Just wanted to go over a couple of issues you may encounter when using the grids in the VTA. First of all, you may notice sometimes you may load up your platform and it may look like the charts may look like this. It may say activate at FibMatrix.com and you're thinking, wait a minute, I know I'm activated, I'm a member. It should not say that. So if it says that, sometimes this could happen. It usually happens maybe on a Monday, but all you have to do is go to one of the grids and change the time frame. Right, we're going to change it to say 5 minutes, and this is another thing you could encounter, and I'll go over that as well. So we change it. You don't have to change it back, just change it one time and then go back to your chart and really just change its time frame, and that gets it back. Now if you don't want to do this for every chart and change the time frame, you can simply shut down your platform and then reload it, and it should load up just fine. That's all you got to do. And then there's another issue right here you can see on pound yen, where this also happens mostly on Mondays after the weekend, but it can also happen anytime there's a big gap in the chart. If you see a grid that looks like this and it's not showing all of it, or it looks everything scrunched up on one line here, all you need to do is change your time frames, right, until you find one that works. So usually the 1 minute chart, if you can't find a time frame that is working the way you want it, just leave it on the 1 minute, because that's the one that will correct itself the fastest.